Brother Shaggy.
Hello. I'm Shaggy. How are you?
I'm fine.
Any question of the day?
Yes, sir.
Eat.
We heard you'll be in UK next week.
Wait, how will I take me?
We carry out our research well, sir.
Well, I go there UK next week.
Will you visit the Queen of England when you get there?
Queen of England. Now I go visit Queen of England. Oh yeah, even no Lord of America. I should be mosquito wey get asthma dey your head. Will you say make I come do show for UK? They ask me whether I go greet Queen of England. Not only Queen of England, now two of London.
I just want to let you know that I'll be there.
Who do your visa?
Climax Travel.
That's what I want to go do. No one disturb you. Oh yeah, man of friends that do shit. Alright, for all my UK fans, oh yeah, if you want to see me in UK, call the number waiting for my caption. Oh yeah, because you both say what? The landing of Shaggy in the UK. Oh yeah, it's a enjoyment of now. Yeah. Thank you.